my channel, The Baking Diva. So good to see all of you. A big shout out and a welcome to all my new subscribers. Well, today I'm making something really cool for you. Oh no! I knew that was gonna happen just when I was starting the video. The ice cream man's out front. Don't go away, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, everyone, but you know, when that ice cream truck comes rolling down the street, I'm in there, that's for sure. And you gotta run fast, because sometimes he passes you by while you're trying to get your money out of the wallet. You gotta run all the way down the street. I guess you figured out by now that we're making a dessert that has to do with ice cream. That's right, and guess what? Only requires that's what I said, 2 ingredients. That's amazing. So we are making today ice cream muffins. And I purposely put on my little tie-dyed shirt because it's so colorful. Looks like all those crazy colored ice cream. And look at this. You probably can't see them, but I found them in Target. And they are little popsicle earrings. When I saw them, I just had to have them. I said they'd be perfect for the summertime. So anyway, this is a recipe that's been around for many, many years. And as I mentioned earlier, it only involves 2 ingredients. It involves self-rising flour and ice cream. Now, in case I forget to tell you, you can use any flavor ice cream you want for these muffins. Now, I was thinking about using chocolate peanut butter, but went into the freezer to get my ice cream out, and I would say the habitats of this house left me about that much in there, so it wasn't enough. So I thought, okay, I'm not running up to the store. Let me see what else I had in there. And I had cookies and cream. So I'm going to use that because that's what I have. But remember, you can use any flavor you want. You want to make chocolate. You can use strawberry, raspberry, the peanut butter chocolate, anything you want. But today I'm going to use cookies and cream. Now, the first thing we're going to do is preheat. There goes my phone. It never ends. First the ice cream man, and then the phone. Be right back again. It was one of those spam calls. I mean, what's the matter with these people? This goes on all day long, but that's for another video. So anyway, what was I saying? Oh, okay. So you're going to preheat your oven. You're going to preheat. Are you kidding me? The phone again? Hold on. Sorry about that. The phone keeps ringing. Don't they know that the Diva is making a video? What's the matter with these people? So anyway, you're going to preheat your oven. Now, I know this sounds weird, but you're going to preheat your oven to 355 degrees. That's right. 355 degrees. Okay? Now, you're going to need a muffin tin for this, and I have one here. Now, normally, I would spray it with Pam, or I'd spray it with that, you know, Pam mixed with flour, but this recipe called for melted butter. It said that you should brush your wells of your muffin pan with melted butter. So that's what I'm going to do. So I have a little brush here, and I'm just going to do that inside all of my muffin tins. I'm going to put this inside of all my the wells of my muffin pan. I'm just going to brush it all around the bottom and the sides. Alrighty. So now, are you already thinking about making these? Are you already thinking about what flavor ice cream you want to use? I would have used something a little more interesting than what I am, but like I said, this is what I have, and this is what I'm going to use. Alrighty. we go. Put this aside. Alrighty. Put this aside for now. Alright, so I'm going to take a mixing bowl. Now, in the mixing bowl, I want to put 2 cups of self-rising flour. Now, I don't know about you, but every time I go to the food store, there is no self-rising flour. So, I figured out a hack for how you make self-rising flour. So this calls for 2 cups. So what I'm going to do is put 2 cups of regular all-purpose flour in here. Now, if you want to make your all-purpose flour into self-rising flour, all you have to do to it is add some baking powder. That's right. So I am going to, So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to my regular flour. So let me get out my teaspoon here. Level it off and put it in with your all-purpose flour. You're going to mix that all together, and guess what? Hack alert! You have self-rising flour. So you can use a spoon or a whisk and get that all mixed together. Now, I told you there's only 2 ingredients, which there is. If you have all-purpose flour, use that. I just used the hack. And now the only other ingredient is ice cream. And you want 1.5 cups of melted ice cream. It has to be melted. All right, so let me get this all combined. Ready? I think that should do it. Looks like it's mixed up pretty well. And here is my 1.5 cups of melted cookies and cream ice cream. And I'm going to put it right, oh, look at those cookies in there, right into my flour mixture. I know what you're saying, Diva. Are you going to taste that ice cream? What do you think? Delicious. All right, so I'm going to mix this by hand till it's all combined. So let me do that now. And I believe the batter is going to be pretty thick. I'm still mixing. I guess this is a good time to tell you, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below and hit that red subscribe and then hit the little bell next to it. That's called the notification bell. And when you hit it, when it says all, there goes the grandfather clock. Oh, the ice cream man, the phone, the grandfather clock. I don't know. But anyway, that's just a little notification bell. And all you'll get is a little notification whenever I have a new video up, and you won't miss anything. Now, I will tell you that next week, I'm going to be on vacation. I'm so excited. It's been raining here for like, I don't know, what seems like a week. And we had a tornado warning the other day, which we never have in my area. And it was flashing on the phones, it was on the TV. Luckily, we finished off our basement because we went down below, and at least we had a finished basement to sit in. But after a couple of hours, it passed, and we had terrible rainstorm, thunder and lightning, but the tornado warning passed, and it's all good. But it was scary. So anyway, I got sidetracked here. What was I saying? I don't even know anymore. Oh, whatever. It'll come to me. I was telling you that next week I'm going on vacation. Going to the Jersey Shore. Oh, I love the Jersey Shore. I love it down in Wildwood Crest and Cape May. Love it down there. So we're going to Wildwood Crest. My brother has a house in Cape May. I've had videos on there before of our vacation in Cape May. So we'll probably, go over there one night or one day. But I'm so looking forward to it. Oh, I love the shore. My next life, I'm going to have a house right on the beach. All right. So anyway, I may try to get a video up before I go away. But if not, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to do a video of our vacation. Well, anyway, look at this, and I told you it's going to be very thick. Look how thick this batter is. It's not a thin batter. It's a very, very, very thick. Alrighty. So now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to bring over my pan that I put the melted butter in, and I'm going to fill the wells, maybe halfway, 3/4 of the way up. There goes my doorbell. Let me see now. We've had had my bird yelling. I've had the ice cream man here. I've had the phone ringing, and now I have the doorbell. So nothing I can do about it. So anyway, let me start filling up these wells with this thick, thick batter of flour and ice cream mixture. It's almost like pasty, to be honest with you. These aren't going to rise real high, so don't worry about, putting too much in there. And because I use the cookies and cream, you can see little bits of the cookies in the batter. Alrighty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in my oven for 20 minutes. So I'm spooning my mixture in and putting this thick batter into my muffin tins. This is an old recipe. This has been around for a long time. I just haven't made it for you, and I wanted to do it today. I've been doing mostly no-bake pies because I didn't want to turn on the oven in this heat, but I wanted to get this done today. If you haven't seen all my no-bake pie videos, go back because I have quite a few on there. So this is going to make, for me, I would say probably 11. I guess you'd get 12 out of it if you put a little less batter in. So let me put that in here. Okay. Very good. And then I'm going to put them in the oven, and I'll be back when I take them out and they cool off and we do a little taste testing. So don't go away. Okay, I took my ice cream muffins out of the oven. They slid right out of the muffin pan. Now this is what they look like when you first take them out of the oven. Now, you will notice that they are crunchy on the top. These are not a sweet, sweet cupcake. These are muffins. So let me put this down, and I'll hold one up for you. They're not big. They're just a little muffin here, little crunchy on the outside. They should be moist on the inside. Now, you can either put confectioner's sugar on these muffins because they're not a real sweet muffin. And of course, the taste is going to vary based on what flavor ice cream you used. I think if I used like the chocolate peanut butter in here, or chocolate, or some other stronger flavor, you'd have a stronger tasting muffin. But I use the cookies and cream, so that's basically vanilla ice cream with some crushed up Oreo cookies in it. So I think I'm going to put confectioner's sugar on these. So I'm going to shake some of it on top of these muffins. Wait till they cool, or at least they're warm. I wouldn't say cool. They probably even taste better when they're warm. Okay. And that's what they're going to look like. Let me hold it up with the confectioner's sugar on it. All right. And now I am going to do a taste testing for you. So let me take a small one. Let me see, I'll take this one over here. Well, actually, I ended up with 11 muffins. So over here, I have one because I wanted my dish to look even. So let me taste that. All right, the top is crunchy, which is good. The inside is moist. If you get some of the pieces of the cookie in there, they're a little crunchy inside. But I don't want to use the word bland, but this is just a basic good muffin. that you'd probably enjoy with a nice cup of coffee or tea. You can mix a little confectioner's sugar with a little warm milk, and you can drizzle that on the top if you want, instead of the confectioner's sugar. But I think they're good. So, I hope you enjoyed my recipe for ice cream muffins. And next time you hear that bell coming down your street, run outside and run fast, because otherwise you'll be running down the hill just like I did. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Remember, I will be on vacation. I might get a video in before, but if I don't, I'll be at the beach, and I'll definitely take some clips down there and put a vacation video on when I come back. So anyway, take care everyone. I'll make these muffins. Let me know if you do what you think, and have a great weekend, and I will see you all very soon. Toodles!